Hey everybody, doing a little upgrade on the PC build. Or not upgrade, new video. I put in the S, not gonna focus. Okay. Card. It's 1 TB. And I got it in. It was a little scary because I didn't know how it would click in. But this is where we're at. So now I'm pretty much ready to install the motherboard into the PC, and then start doing all the wiring and all that. And then I know I have to download the Windows 11, which hopefully isn't hard. Which I've got a memory stick for it. But I'm also going to try to somehow install these two old school memory drives or hardware, whatever you want to call them, because that has a lot of like family pictures and all kinds of whatever games and stuff. So that's where we're at with the build. We've got, oh, you can't even see those. Vengeance, yeah, okay. And then, yeah, so this is what and I know the power supply is low. Power supply is on the low side, which I will eventually swap out, but this is what we have. So, kind of just trying. It's hard. Hard for a floor guy to learn how to do computers. It's not what I'm used to, but working on it little by little. And again, sorry I haven't had videos up lately. I've been super busy. Got a cheapo keyboard and mouse for this also, just so we're ready. And we're eventually probably going to hook it up to that 65. Which, yep, I know gaming-wise is not the best route, but little by little, we're working on it, getting step by step. Eventually, we'll hopefully get like a, I don't know, maybe one of those curved one. I don't know, whatever works best for gaming. Because the kids are getting into Fortnite and all that. So okay, I was just letting you know what's going down, and then you see it, it's installed. All right, have a good one. Bye.